Hey, what's going on, guys? 4K coming back at you with another one. This time, I wanted to talk about the Range Rover, the dreaded Range Rover. This is a vehicle that it's a beautiful vehicle, well engineered. I mean, super smooth, luxurious. I mean, it drives like a tank. It's a very nice vehicle. There's a reason why it costs so much. It's very capable. It's very good when it's running, when it's working. This is another one of those vehicles that falls in the category of this is why people that are wealthy or people that have money lease vehicles like this for 36 months, get rid of them and move on to the next one or get a new one or whatever the case may be. There's another one of these vehicles that's over engineered, a lot of technology in it, and a lot of parts that when they go bad, it costs a lot of money. This is a vehicle that you want to stay away from on a used market. This is a vehicle you definitely don't want to, try to floss with a vehicle like this, or think to yourself, oh yeah, I'm gonna get this Range Rover, and the price is pretty decent or whatever, and not have money for the repairs, because the repairs are gonna be super expensive. These parts aren't cheap. Sometimes they're not even easy to get, and especially now with the pandemic, we've seen a lot of difficulty getting parts for these type of vehicles. I've had friends with these vehicles. I've seen them go through hell in a handbasket with them. I never recommend anyone to buy one of these on the used market. I mean, when they're running great, they're running great. They're running great until they're not. Awesome vehicle, nothing but great things when they're running. But if you don't have a deep pocket or someone that that works on vehicles and access to the parts, this is something that you really want to stay away from. This is another one of those vehicles, like I said, when you're getting into those high-end luxury cars, those top-level halo vehicles. When they get older and they break, they cost a lot. Stay away from this one. I know it looks great. Sometimes you could get a good deal. Just not worth it if you don't have the cash. If you do, it's a great vehicle until it breaks. But let me know what you guys think. Have you guys had any problems with these? Jump down in the comment box. Let me know. Am I crazy? Am I tripping? I definitely don't think so. I've seen so many of them coming to the shop. It's unreal. But like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.